Hello there, it's Tracy Varon, Executive Director with Pampered Chef from Boise, Idaho, and these are just some general housekeeping things to know with Consultants Corner that people often have questions about. So first of all, where do you find the specials that are going on or for the upcoming month? You simply need to log into Consultants Corner and then go to Marketing Images and go under Training and Resources to Marketing Imagery. Okay, click on Marketing Imagery and boom, here are all your specials. All right, they're under this tab called Promotions. Very, very simple. Click on Host, for example, and it will show you the current special going on as well as the future months. Okay, we know up until June at this point. Easy peasy. Okay, so simple. Same with Guest. Simply click on Guest. You can save these as either a PDF, or if you need a Facebook image or another kind of social media image, you can save them as well. And then there's some nice trainings about the different specials as well to look at. July's, for example, is the Veggie Prep Tool. You might want to read up on that, especially if you don't know much about those products. Okay, same was there in the Host special as well. You can find the new consultant specials here, and also available as a PDF, a Facebook cover, right? You've got different images here that you can save. Pretty great, huh? All right, the other common housekeeping task people like to ask about is shipment status. Let's go back to the home page of Consultants Corner and click on how do you find the shipment status of a particular item, or sorry, an order, I should say. So you can see, for example, under one of these parties here, someone ordered and it gives me a tracking link for their order. Click on that and it will tell me when it was delivered. In this case, this is a past party, so it's going to be delivered, or when it will be delivered. Very simple. This is what this looks like. Okay, very easy to do. That's where you find shipment status. You can also scroll down and see them they're sorted by catalog show, cooking show, and if you have any individual orders, they may show up there as well. All right, and then the final question that often consultants have is, how do I do a product adjustment? Like somebody gets a product and it's broken, or they break a product and it's under warranty. How do I go about that? Well, my best advice to you is to go to Contacts, and I'm going to actually pull up my husband's name here just for privacy reasons. Let me show you that. Search. I'm going to click on Edit and Order History. This is going to show the different products that Norm has ordered over the years. He's been a great customer, and it's just going to take a second here. And here you can see he hosts a lot of catalog shows, but here's an order he did on this particular party quite a while ago. And it shows the items that are still under warranty, or it shows the item that he offered. Actually, this would not be under warranty because this was going back way to 2013. Whoa, that's way too far. Let's go find something that's a little more recent. Let me scroll down here. Told you he was a good customer. Here's one he recently did. And so if I need to do an exchange, I would just click Returns and then scroll down for the item that's eligible for return. Let's say it's the garlic press. I'm going to share a reason for the return. Just choose one of these, and then the action. Do I want it replaced, returned, or exchanged? Replace, exchange, or return. Either way, okay? And then it's just going to walk you through that process. You can easily do that just that way. Now you can also press this Chat Now button at any time, and you could do the return through the chat program. Now the chat is not open right now, so I can't walk you through that. You can see their hours that they are available, but you can also do this via chat. You just need to tell them the customer's name. You need to tell them the item that they ordered. Anything that you can tell them is very, very helpful, and then they'll help you with the return. Okay, so I hope some of these very simple little housekeeping tasks are more understandable to you now. If you have any questions, please reach out to your director of your team or ask us on our Team Hustle Facebook group. Thanks for watching.